A massive security breach has sent shockwaves through the entire crypto space, and Shiba Inu holders are right in the crosshairs. Millions of dollars have vanished in an instant, leaving the community scrambling for answers. Is your wallet safe? Today we dive deep into the chaos. Let us break it down. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. According to reports, the decentralized finance world is currently grappling with a critical vulnerability discovered in one of the most popular non-custodial wallets. Trust Wallet, a cornerstone for many Shiba Inu investors, recently confirmed a major security incident involving its browser extension. This matters because Shiba Inu has one of the most active retail communities in the world, many of whom rely on browser-based tools to interact with decentralized exchanges like Shiba Swap and the Shibarium Layer 2 network. The breach specifically targeted users of the Chrome extension, a tool widely used for quick transactions and staking. Security in the Web3 space is often a cat-and-mouse game, but when a major player like Trust Wallet is compromised, the implications for meme coin ecosystems are profound. The vulnerability allowed attackers to bypass standard security protocols, leading to unauthorized drains of various assets, including significant amounts of Shiba Inu. This incident serves as a stark reminder that even the most trusted tools in the crypto arsenal are not immune to sophisticated exploits, and for a community as large as the Shiba army, the stakes could not be higher. As per reports, the breach was officially confirmed on December 27, 2025, after a series of mysterious wallet drains were reported by users. The core of the issue lies in Trust Wallet's Chrome extension version 2.68. A supply chain failure or a specific bug in the code allowed malicious actors to gain access to private keys or seed phrases of active users. The total losses have already surpassed $7 million. With a substantial portion of that being traced back to Shiba Inu and other high-liquidity tokens. Trust Wallet has since released an emergency update, version 2.69, and is urging all users to update immediately or disable the extension entirely. The company stated that the mobile app remains unaffected, but the damage to the browser extension's reputation is already done. This event is particularly alarming because it occurred during the holiday season, a time when many investors are less vigilant about their digital security. The exploit appears to have targeted the way the extension handles sensitive data in the browser's memory, allowing attackers to intercept credentials during active sessions. This level of sophistication suggests a highly organized effort by the perpetrators. As per on-chain data, Shiba Inu is trading at around 738 units today, December 28, 2025. The market has reacted with a mix of caution and resilience. While the news of the hack initially caused a minor dip, the price has stabilized as the community rallies to secure their assets. There is a 24-hour trading volume of approximately $77 million, reflecting a steady flow of activity despite the security scare. The market cap of Shiba Inu remains strong at over $4.3 billion, positioning it as a top contender in the meme coin sector. However, the fear of further exploits has led to a slight increase in exchange inflows as some users move their holdings from private wallets to centralized platforms for perceived safety. If the security situation is not fully contained, we could see a test of lower support levels near 710 units in the coming days. Conversely, if the community can weather this storm without further major losses, we might see a relief rally as confidence is restored. The resilience of the 730 units support level is currently being watched closely by technical analysts who believe it could be the floor for this current correction. The burn rate for Shiba Inu has seen some interesting fluctuations amidst the security news. In the last 24 hours, over 1,000,002 tokens were sent to dead wallets. While this is a drop of approximately 32% compared to previous days, it shows that the core deflationary mechanism is still functioning. Whale activity has surged significantly. Over 8 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were recently withdrawn from major exchanges, suggesting that large-scale investors are moving their assets into cold storage or more secure private wallets in response to the Trust Wallet breach. These massive movements often precede periods of high volatility. Furthermore, several dormant wallets, some inactive for over 2 years, have suddenly become active, possibly as owners move their funds to safer environments. One notable transaction involved a whale moving close to 500 billion tokens from a trust wallet address to a newly created hardware wallet, a move that was mirrored by dozens of other large holders throughout the day. Analysts note that the trust wallet breach is a sobering reminder of the risks inherent in self-custody. This incident highlights a trust architecture problem, where even audited and reputable tools can fall victim to supply chain attacks. For Shiba Inu, the implications are twofold. First, it emphasizes the need for the Shibarium ecosystem to continue developing its own native, highly secure wallet solutions to reduce reliance on third-party extensions. Second, it could lead to a temporary slowdown in DeFi activity on the Shibarium network as users become more hesitant to connect their wallets to various dApps. The long-term impact will depend on how quickly Trust Wallet can restore confidence and whether any further vulnerabilities are discovered. Experts believe that this event will accelerate the adoption of hardware wallets among the Shiba Inu community, which is a positive step for the overall security of the ecosystem. This shift toward more robust security practices could actually strengthen the community in the long run, making it less susceptible to the types of social engineering and technical exploits that have plagued the space in recent years. The Shiba Inu community, known as the Shib Army, has been incredibly proactive in the wake of this news. Official community channels and prominent influencers have been blasting out warnings across social media. The message is clear. Update your Trust Wallet extension to version 2.69 immediately or move your funds. The Shib Army has been sharing step-by-step guides on how to secure assets and identify phishing attempts that often follow such breaches. Developer hints from the Shibarium team suggest that they are closely monitoring the situation and may implement additional security layers for users interacting with the network. The resilience of the community is one of Shiba Inu's greatest strengths, as the rapid spread of information helps mitigate the damage from such exploits. Many community members have also called for more educational initiatives to help new investors understand the importance of security, showing a collective desire to protect the ecosystem from future threats. Looking ahead, the next week will be crucial for Shiba Inu. In the short term, we should watch for a potential recovery in the burn rate as community activity picks back up. If the price can hold above the 730 units level, it could signal a bullish rebound towards 750 units by early January. Long term, the focus remains on the continued expansion of Shibarium and the integration of more utility-driven features. If the ecosystem can successfully navigate these security challenges, Shiba Inu could see a market cap growth toward $5 billion by the end of the first quarter of 2026. However, investors should keep a close eye on any further updates from Trust Wallet and the broader crypto security landscape. The ability of the Shiba Inu developers to maintain a secure environment for their users will be a key factor in the token's long-term success and adoption. We should also watch for any potential regulatory responses to this breach, as large-scale hacks often draw the attention of lawmakers looking to implement stricter rules for decentralized platforms. While the Shiba Inu ecosystem has shown remarkable strength, it is important to remain objective about the risks. The reliance on third-party wallet extensions remains a significant red flag for the entire crypto industry. The Trust Wallet breach is a clear example of how a single point of failure can lead to millions in losses. Furthermore, the high volatility of Shiba Inu means that security scares can lead to rapid price fluctuations that may catch unprepared investors off guard. Phishing scams are on the rise, with bad actors posing as support staff to help victims of the hack. It is vital to remember that no official representative will ever ask for your seed phrase. While the current situation is being managed, the threat of future exploits is always present. Caution is the name of the game in the world of decentralized finance. Investors must balance their enthusiasm for the project with a healthy dose of skepticism and a commitment to best-in-class security practices to ensure their long-term success in this fast-moving market. The world of crypto never sleeps, and today's security alert is a powerful reminder to stay vigilant. Shiba Inu holders have faced challenges before, and the Shib Army always comes out stronger. Make sure your wallets are updated, your keys are safe, and your eyes are on the charts. We will be here to bring you the latest updates as they happen. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep on holding. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up to see our most recent material, share it, and subscribe to the channel.